I have a delicious Treat Tuesday recipe for you all today. So I'm going to be making peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies, and I'll be using 1 scoop of the Happy Way peanut butter protein powder. I've got a cup here of coconut sugar. You can also use brown sugar. I've got 1 cup here of peanut butter. I've got half a cup of chocolate chips, 1 egg. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of baking powder, and that's literally it. So what I'm going to do is whisk my brown sugar, my egg, peanut butter, baking powder, and my protein powder together until it's nice and combined, and then I'm going to fold through my chocolate chips. Now once that's all mixed together, I'll roll that into balls and I'll pop that into my lined baking tray. Now I didn't have baking paper, so if you don't have baking paper, what you can do is grease it with coconut oil and then pop a little bit of flour on the bottom of the pan, and that'll make it non-stick. I'm then going to pop that into my oven, which has been preheating at 180 degrees for 12 minutes. Now once that's cooked, I'm going to take it out and allow it to cool completely for 30 minutes and enjoy it.